Do, 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 do. It is a challenge for Kenny. Oh, no, oh, no. It is a challenge for Kenny.
No, I'm still on the
Hop
boat.
over the waters. Yeah.
Look at the water. Ready, guys? So satisfying.
It is.
Look at the water. No, look at the water. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. And now time to go backwards. I don't remember signing up for this. Okay, come on. Oh, wait, I'm stuck. Send help.
Look at the nice gold water.
I'm just gonna stay here. Move back a little bit.
So guys, I'm gonna eat some water while Kenny figures eat some water. Eat some Oreos. While
Can you get me some?
yeah. I'll just bring this to Kenny and stuff, you know.
Wait, just hand me the thing.
What thing?
The phone.
Don't drop. No, I can't.
Okay. Oh yeah, the water.
So there goes Kenny.
Can someone send help? I have an idea. Back with the Oreos! I have an idea to get out.
And I'm 42.
You. We don't need to know that information, right?
Want some Oreos?
I need leaves. You need yes and yes. Oh, frick.
Yum.
Yeah.
So, do you want your paddle?
Mm-mm.
Let's see this lady's reaction. Oh, let's see if she's looking at you like, yeah. You guys are dumb.
Deeper water. Really? Oh, jeez.
Oh!
I'm making moves. I need to stand up.
Oh no.
Dun, 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 dun.
It's been
Dun, dun, dun,
4 minutes into the video. As he makes it paddleboarding. You want your paddle?
No, I think I got it.
Oh no!
Go back.
Keep
into
your
the
balance, Ken. Here is a higher view, guys.
Woo! Look at the water. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Reach the Lord. Reach. Reach.
This is a tsunami for ants. Which? Oh my God! Look.
Totally mean to do this.
Look at that water. That's actually a lot of water. Do you guys see that?
Yeah. It's not like a lake, but you know, it's a lot of water. Look at the wheels. Dun 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 dun.
Whoa, keep your balance there. Separate feet.
Feet.
And move. Move. And then you can try to get out. Here it is, guys. There it is. Let's see this lady's reaction. Oh yeah, they're just looking.
God, it's not even a lady.
Or like a guy. And there's the Oreos, guys. I might try this out. I don't want to. Oh no!
Holy guac a mole. Here we go, deep waters.
Oh no.
Look at the leaves over there.
Whoa, that's actually lots and lots of water.
Look at the leaves.
The leaves in there are having a great time.
And look at the leaves over there. Yeah, they're partying. Bro, look at this. This is so cool. Look how satisfying that is. This is an ASMR.
Oh, I took some cool pictures.
This is ASMR, boys. Girls. Oh. Come on, make more water.
This is amazing. That is amazing, guys.
Very disgusting.
What amazing! Whoa! Let's take this paddle here.
No!
Kenny,
What?
did you do that?
Maybe.
And now you can paddle. Do-do-do-do-do. And here's the easy way. You could buy one of our paddles for $40.
I don't care about $40.
Well, $50. Yummy Oreos. Yum, 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 yum. Buffet? It's a buffet. Would you like some Oreos?
No, I don't care. Look.
Look at these Oreos, guys.
No, look there. Ready? Look
Wait.
at the water.
Amazing. So we will check on you guys in a little bit.
No.
Whoa, Kenny. Whoa. Nothing happened, guys. We're gonna cut that part out. Oh no! As you see, guys, we are enjoying this lovely nature. All right, so I'm gonna check on Kenny later. I'm gonna leave the camera right here. Hopefully you guys can see. They can only see your feet.
Fine.
Wait. Oh,
Can you give me the Oreos?
break.
Can you give me the Oreos?
An Oreo or the whole Oreos?
And Oreo?
Yeah.
I need an Oreo. I need an Oreo. I'm gonna die.
Okay, man.
Oh, hey guys. Hey guys.
Here, wait. You know what? I'm gonna put it over here. You know what, guys? They can't see, so I'm gonna give Ken an Oreo. You guys.
Give me an Oreo. I'm hungry. I need my lunch. Guys. What is it? Give me this. Hello. I need to get deeper. Okay, just go inside.
Oh my gosh!
float with me.
Oh.
No, friend. We're not going that way. We're going this way, friend. No Oreo friends. No. Bye bye.
Bye.